Welcome back. Let's have a look at Lucid Motors, LCID. Today 10% down day. So far stock is trading right above that $40 support, and pretty much volume is a little bit higher today. Yesterday after market close they announced an offering, I think 1.7 billion. That's a lot of money. And everybody knows that they will keep doing that. So they have no cash revenue. They have to keep offering until they scale the business, until they actually start producing stuff. And even look at the NIO, like they have been delivering so many cars, and even them, they have to scale from wherever they are at least 5 times just to break even. And they are going to be, well, they're doing offering as well. They did, but Lucid, well, it's a long shot. So short-term technicals, all right. Not gonna dive too much into that, but yeah, they don't have money. They will keep doing that, all right, for some time. So at the moment, if you look at this chart, well, could be reminding maybe Head and Shoulders. If you consider this as a shoulder right here and this huge big head, if it comes down to, say, let's to 35, bounces back to 40, comes back down to 35, and then slips, it might go down back to these. Let's take a look at the moving averages. Based on moving averages, we can tell how far this thing can go. So at the moment, support would be if the stock doesn't hold $40, most likely can go to 37.20. To the upside, well, we have a resistance at 44.50. If you look at it on a 30-minute chart, that 44.50 was acting as a support and resistance on a 30-minute time frame. So if you look at it yesterday as well, it was acting as a resistance, and then stock got back above it, and it started acting as a support, and then after market close, flushed down, and then today slightly higher volume. First half of the day, we still have another half of a day to trade. Well, we'll see if this stock is going lower. That's the level, 50-day simple moving average I'm watching. And also option activity. We're not going to look at anything else here. It's still early, but today's option activity pretty much 50-50. 127,000 calls, 126,000 puts. So same amount of calls and puts being traded, and nothing to say about that. There are a lot of puts, there are a lot of calls, and day is still early. It's 8 p.m. Western time, so that's the update. So if you have shares holding, maybe you should have started hedging somewhere up here when stock was started declining. Right here, right now, implied volatility for the stock is 128%. So for this week, which is 1 day left, it's already implying $3 move up or down, and for December 17th, it's implying $6 move up or down. So, all right, that's what I'm watching. And also on a daily, well, you can watch VWAP, volume weighted average price, which is but with prices below it, and also 5-day simple moving average. If we bring up 5-day at the moment, well, it's downtrending as well. It's at the moment at 44. So all right, that's the update. Be careful, take care of your downside exposure. See you in the next one.